Look at these video and images. Many people are earning thousands of dollars just posting these types of videos and images in Instagram. And you can make this in 3 simple steps and completely free. First, look at this account. It makes million followers. And this account is posting the aesthetic architecture house, which look very cinematic. So how to make this with no cost? If you want to learn, watch till end and subscribe for more videos like this. So let's begin. First, go to ChatGPT and show that image you want to make and tell this. Otherwise, give prompt that and ChatGPT will create prompts for you. I will drop some prompts for you in the video description, so don't worry. Now ChatGPT will give you these prompts. To save time, I did it all earlier. Now copy that prompt and go to any text-to-image generator AI. So I come to Leonardo AI. Click on Get Started. Now click on Image Creation. Here paste your prompt and select your aspect ratio. I chose the Instagram ratio, which is 1:1. Now hit Generate. Just look, amazing. The color and details are very good. You can create more images like this. It gives you 150 tokens per day for free. Let's try another one. So copy that prompt and paste here. Let's hit Generate. It's pretty cute and it looks very unique and engaging. But created a mushroom house, which look very unique. People love this in Instagram feed. Now let's create some objects like houses in different ways. So I asked GPT this, and it creates all these prompts for me. Now just copy and paste it. And look at the magic. Now let's create the luxury houses and places images, which are very high demanding niche in social media. So paste this prompt in ChatGPT and say to give me more prompts like this. And ChatGPT will create amazing prompts for you. Now just paste it here and see the creation. Wow, just look. Who will say it's not real? People are posting these types of images and videos on Instagram and earning thousands of dollars. So now it's your turn. Let me show you another one. It is such a realistic and attractive view. If you love this method, please hit the like button for this video. Before I show you the process how to animate it free, I want to tell you, if the tokens are finished for you in Leonardo AI, don't worry, I already made a video to use Flux AI text-to-image for completely free. I will give the link in the description, or you can visit my channel and watch it. Okay, let's animate the image into a video. So there are many tools like Runway ML, Kling AI, Luma Labs, and more. But these AI tools are not completely free, but you get enough credits per day to make videos. But I will tell you about the AI tool, which is completely free. So these are some videos I animated with Kling AI. But it takes time to animate an image. So I will show you the free AI tool, which name is Pixverse. So go to this website. Here you can see many videos which are really amazing. So here, upload your image. And write your prompt how you want to animate it. Here you get some settings. You make normal and performance mode. You can select camera movement. You can also choose video duration, so let's see how it animates the image. It's quite good because I put it in performance mode, so the moves are very noisy. So this is how you can make all these things at no cost. If this video gives you value, like and share it, and subscribe for more videos of AI tools.